One of the best things about the development in entertainment options over the last few years has been the growth in choices available for young users now. As long as it is balanced with physical activity, the time your kids spend on electronic devices can be very fruitful, with educational and entertainment content specially tailored for them. And to access this suitable content, you've got a number of devices that are easier to operate and let you control usage. Our product today falls in this category. It's a kid-friendly version of the Fire tablet, with a number of special add-ons to complement the original's already popular features.
Here we go!
The Fire Kids Edition tablet, with a 7-inch display, comes with a special kid-proof case, which keeps the device durable, without adding to the weight significantly. This is a perfect solution for parents who need worry-free protection against drops, bumps, and the typical mayhem caused by kids at play. For added comfort, you also get a 2-year guarantee of free replacement in case of breakage. This covers everything, including electrical and mechanical breakdowns. The Kids Edition tablet comes with Amazon Free Time, a service designed with a lot of thought for young users. It features an attractive kid-friendly set of colors and fonts, as well as a carefully curated collection of books, movies, shows, apps, and games through Amazon Free Time Unlimited, which you also get a 1-year free subscription to. You can set multiple profiles, manage screen time across games and educational content, set educational goals, and limit internet access through the kid-friendly web browser. And once your kids are done, you can come out of free time to use the tablet like any standard device for adults. Which is why this tablet is more than just a toy for kids. With features to rival any other premium tablet, this is a great investment for the entire family. It features a powerful quad-core 1.3 GHz CPU with 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage space, with the option to add up to 200 GB extra through microSD. The battery is good for up to 7 hours of intense use on one full charge. Its 7-inch screen offers you a 1024 by 600 resolution with IPS technology and advanced polarizing filter, making it perfect for movies or ebooks. Tons of other features, like the dual camera, Superfast Wi-Fi, a USB 2.0 port, and a powerful built-in speaker, make it a device that both you and your kids will cherish for several years. With these features, it's no wonder that this has turned out to be such a bestseller from Amazon. Close to 22,500 reviewers have given it an average score of 4 on 5 stars, with the range of content and innovative parental control system the biggest hits. Many users seem to find the 2-year replacement guarantee quite incredible too. That's about all we have for now on the feature-packed Fire Kids Edition 7-inch tablet. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of tablets here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.